Welcome to A Passage to Japan's Wonders. Today, we're exploring an indispensable tool for every visitor to Japan, the Suica. Imagine effortlessly hopping on trains and buses with just a tap. This everyday convenience is what Suica offers to millions of residents and visitors alike. Suica, originally a plastic IC card, has evolved into a digital tool that retains its original functionality and more. As a result, Suica is now available in two formats: a physical plastic IC card and a smartphone app. The plastic card can be purchased at airports, train stations, and subway stations for 2,000 yen, which includes a 500 yen refundable deposit and 1,500 yen of initial credit. Let's delve into what makes Suica so essential for travelers in Japan. Before we go further, let's review the Suica plastic card fact sheet to understand its basics. Suica's primary purpose is as a transport ticket for individual travelers. Whether navigating bustling city centers or exploring serene countryside, Suica is your key to hassle-free travel on trains and buses. And the plastic card is available for international travelers, too. The plastic card can be purchased at airports, train, and subway stations for 2,000 yen, which includes a 500 yen refundable deposit and 1,500 yen of initial credit. As you use the card, you must add funds or recharge it to maintain a positive balance. The recharging process can be straightforward for some, while others might find it a bit challenging initially. It's typically done at train stations or convenience stores, with cash or card payment options. The fact sheet above provides more details on recharging, helping you prepare for managing your Suica balance during your travels. But what if you could have all that convenience right on your phone, with easy, instant recharging? Available through apps like Apple Wallet for iPhone users or Google Pay for some Android devices, Digital Suica brings this technology to your smartphone. With Digital Suica, you can add funds instantly using your linked credit or debit card, making the recharging process seamless and hassle-free. Let's explore the setup process for the Digital Suica on your smartphone. Setting up the Digital Suica is straightforward for both iPhone and Android users. Simply open Apple Wallet for iPhone or Google Pay for Android. Select Suica and follow the prompts to add and fund the card in 1,000 yen increments. No additional downloads are required if you already have the app. Having a Digital Suica means one less thing to carry, and it allows you to easily check your balance, reload funds, and even manage multiple cards directly from your device. Whether you choose plastic or digital, Suica opens up a world of convenience. From breezing through train stations to grabbing a quick coffee, it's an essential tool for navigating Japan like a local. So, as you plan your Japanese adventure, consider how Suica can make your journey smoother. Public transportation in Japan is essential for travelers, providing efficient connectivity and immersive cultural experiences. Imagine starting your day in Shibuya and navigating through downtown Tokyo to Asakusa. Among various routes and transportation modes, the Ginza subway line stands out as one of the best choices, offering a direct route to Asakusa without requiring transfers. Alternatively, consider taking a JR Yamanote line train to Ueno and then transferring to either the Ginza line or a bus to Asakusa. However, such transfers can be complex and time-consuming. For both locals and visitors alike, navigating transfers and purchasing tickets each time can be daunting tasks. Understanding the optimal routes and having a Suica card can greatly simplify these challenges. By the way, using the Ginza line with Suica, the journey from Shibuya to Asakusa takes just 34 minutes and costs 260 yen. You simply need to tap your Suica card twice, once at the entrance gate of Shibuya Station and again at the exit gate of Asakusa Station. Traveling without a Suica function means purchasing individual tickets for each journey, which is time-consuming and demands familiarity with local ticket machines and fare structures. Relying solely on cash can limit flexibility, especially in remote or less tourist-oriented areas. Conversely, Suica simplifies travel logistics, granting access to trains, buses, and some ferries nationwide with a quick tap. It also enhances shopping and dining experiences, as it's accepted at many convenience stores, vending machines, coin lockers, and eateries. If you're planning extensive travel within Japan, consider using a Japan Rail Pass, JR Pass, alongside your Suica card. The JR Pass offers unlimited travel on Japan Railways, JR trains, including Shinkansen bullet trains, and is ideal for exploring multiple regions. While the JR Pass covers JR lines nationwide, Suica complements this by paying for non-JR lines and buses within cities and regions. You may have heard of several similar cards in Japan, such as Passmo and other regional IC cards. Thanks to a nationwide agreement, Suica is interoperable with other IC cards like Passmo, Ikoka, and Kitaka, meaning you can use your Suica card on most transportation systems and at many retailers throughout Japan. Additionally, with new yen banknotes set to be released in July 2024, many vending machines may not initially accept them. Suica cardholders can continue to use vending machines seamlessly, highlighting their convenience. Opting for a Suica function enhances convenience and flexibility throughout your journey, whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler exploring Japan. Thank you for joining us in this video. We hope this guide has helped you understand the benefits of Suica for your travels. We look forward to welcoming you back for another episode soon. Until then, stay healthy and have a safe trip.